Me and little one, we actually came over the border of Tennessee and came to good old Kentucky and decided to camp out by the National Forest here in Kentucky, which is Daniel Boone's National Forest. So it's absolutely beautiful here because, of course, the theme of my channel right now is fall colors. So yes, the fall colors are here also. The red, my favorite color. So absolutely beautiful. There's supposed to be a waterfall in the area, so I think I hear it. So we're gonna go try to find the waterfall. But right now we found the lake and a pretty cool looking bridge and beautiful fall color trees. And of course, there's bears, black bears. I've been seeing those signs a lot, but I haven't seen a black bear yet. So, still haven't seen the wild bears. I'd like to see one from afar, not up close. Oh my goodness, how cool is that? I did not expect the rainbow, but that makes sense, I guess. So that was pretty awesome. And it was a pretty decent sized waterfall, which was good. I don't think little one knows what she just saw, but Mama's happy. That was pretty cool, the rainbow, for sure. Okay, so the place with the waterfall is called Cumberland Falls in Kentucky. Right here at the Daniel Boone's National Forest. First of all, let me say, I was pretty proud of my little one because there is a good bit of people here right now. I mean, it's not like packed, but it's a good bit of people. And little one didn't bark at one single person. She barked at a dog, but that was it. So I was very proud of her. So, pretty cool little place. It is a state park. And it's actually right down the road from where I'm camping at, so that kind of worked out. Yeah. They say during the winter or after the winter and after spring is when the waterfall is really flowing. I thought the waterfall was really flowing just now.